Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reverse your videos or any other media such as audio in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have a video loaded up in my timeline in Davinci Resolve, and I'll be using this to reverse it. Firstly, I'll play it so that you guys can see that it is going forward. This is a previous tutorial that I have done, so it might sound familiar. Hey everybody, what is going on? And as you can see, it is going forward in the real time. It isn't fast forwarded, it is 60 frames per second, and it is perfectly as it should be. Now, what I want to do to reverse it is go into the edit tab. You can, by the way, just right click it and click change clip speed and set it to -100. However, I'll be doing a better way. Just click on the video to select it and then go into the inspector. Under video, you'll see transform and all these other options. You want to go under speed change. Now, why do I say that this is a better way? You have a visual representation and sliders right over here, which you can manually sort of change depending on your wishes, but you have these arrows. If you click the arrows facing right, it'll go in a forward direction, or if you click the backwards facing ones, it'll reverse the entire video, and it'll set the speed to -100% and the frames per second to minus whatever FPS you recorded at. You can also click the snow, call it whatever you want, snowflake, and it'll freeze the entire video and it'll be just one frozen frame. However, if you want to reverse it, you just click the left facing arrows and that should be enough. However, you can also manually set these values to minus values. If I just add a minus to this speed, as you can see, the frames change themselves and the video is reversed. If I play it, you'll see, or rather hear, that it is reversed. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.